Hello everyone, Jeff with a Greener View here. Let's talk about winter landscape maintenance. In far northern areas, winter starts at the end of October and runs through April. For far southern areas, the winter dormant time may only be part of January and February. The forecast for here today was for snow, but so far all we have is rain. In northern states, we get snow. In the middle of the country, we get snow, freezing rain, and just rain. In the southern areas, we only get rain in the winter. In drier areas of the country, we may not get anything at all during the winter. But all of the areas do have something in common. Most of the plants go dormant. That means there's not much maintenance work that we need to do. For lawns, try to stay off the grass since the crown of the plant is still alive and can be damaged by walking on dormant or frozen lawns. In the flower and vegetable garden, most of us can plan ahead by looking at garden catalogs and our summer photos taken during the growing season. In the far south, warm season vegetables can be grown now, though it can't be grown in the hot summer. In southern areas, cool season vegetables can be grown and they will survive a frost or two over the winter. For trees and shrubs, dormant pruning can be done now to prevent diseases that would spread during a summer pruning. Don't prune spring blooming shrubs because you'll cut off the flower buds. You can prune summer and fall blooming plants if necessary. Dormant oil can be sprayed on plants susceptible to scale insects following the label directions for the proper temperature. If you have a water garden with fish in it, make sure there's a hole in the ice to keep gas exchange with the atmosphere and keep an eye on the water level in the pond. If you brought plants in for the winter, maintain watering and check for insects. The last thing we need to do for winter maintenance is to take lawn mowers and power tools in for maintenance. And this is Jeff with a Greener View. Thanks for watching.